So hello friends, myself is Karan. In last video we discussed about almost every feature of our HubSpot Formaker app. Now I am thinking to go demo wise and we will create some real world example with our Formaker app. So let's start with creating new form. I will give the name review forms. That's it. And I want to keep two slides here. First is personal information. Second would be your review. That's done. Now I will come to elements and I would like to, let's go to first slide first. In first slide I want to keep three fields, first name, last name, and one I will drop for email. Now I will go to HubSpot fields. I will search for first name and I will search for last name and I will search for email. That's it. Now I also want to make this thing required, so I will go there and just enable this required tag for all fields, so slides will not move without filling that. To next slide. Now I will go to next slide. Here I want to keep two fields for in full width, so for that the single drop down is enough. Now I will go to HubSpot. I have already created a field with the name of review. This is a simple text field which will later turn into a review form. And the second field I will add message. Multi-text field is message, and I will change this name to your feedback. Now see, here is the magic. This is a simple text field as you can see, but when I turn this into rating, that will be something different. I will make this thing required. I can increase the icon count size. That will 6. I want to keep it 5 right now. I can also increase the icon size. I want to keep it 100. I can also change rating icon color and rating icon feed color. I can also change, but I don't want to. I don't want to do that right now. I will change it to heart icon. That's it. The heart icon is there, but I want to keep it as a star icon. Now I will cut this off. I will also make this thing quiet and I will check its preview, how it looks in preview. See how it looks in preview. I can also change its look and feel, but I want to keep it simple. And just I will go click over there. See what happened. All things are red. I will just add text value, uh, test at gmail.com. I will keep it like that. I will go to next slide. See, I can also give half star rating and feedback. It is expandable as per user review. This is test message. If I will submit, done. The same form will look on your website. So I will reset it. I will go over there and I will save the changes. Form is saved. One thing I also want to edit here. I will go to edit form. I also want to customize is reset message. So I will come to the end screen. I can come from by some pressing submitting button from there. I can also come there by from here. If I will click over there, so I can also come here from slides also. I will cut it out and I will, if I will click over this, here I will get the option to editing this. So thanks for submitting form. Instead of thanks for submitting form, I will add thanks for sharing your feedback. Redacting, if you want to redact your user somewhere else after submitting a form, you can do it from there. Also you can allow user to reset your form. By default I am keeping it allowed, but if you don't want to allow your user to reset a form, you can uncheck this thing. The reset button will gone from there and your user will not able to resubmit your form. So I am keeping it required and I am saving the changes. And now the next step is to embed this form into our form into your HubSpot account. So for that, we will just copy this code from here. Copy this code. I have already created a custom module, so I will paste this thing here and publish. And after publishing, there would be store dependency. I have added this form here. This is a page where I added this form. I will look for the preview, and here you can see our HubSpot form is loading perfectly. So let's test it here. I would add my name. See, I have added my name. If I will refresh this page, my value will remain here. Means you don't need to save your value every time if you user left the form anywhere. So his field data will be there as it is. I will add last name, and I will add an email ID. No, I'm keeping my email ID. Let's say example, and just go to next, and I will give this rating here, and your feedback. This is your feedback. This is your feedback, and I will submit. See, I have submitted this form. I can reset this form also. Now if I will go to my maker app, and I will go to form submissions, see here which form we submitted, review form we submitted. The contact which is created with this form is 301. You can search for this contact ID into your CRM. If I will go to contact, if the your submitted contact is already there, it will update that contact, otherwise it will create a new contact. I will search for my email ID. This thing we updated, current.last, we updated there. See the property here, it is already there. This is how this form works. In next video I will come with another examples of this form. For now that's it. And we one more thing, we also reduces the prices of our form. So if you want to buy, you can directly buy it from our website. It is very nominal, like $90 per month and $199 for yearly charges.